guys and gals, welcome back to another episode of the Gearheadgirl Garage, where today we're going to show you how to remove your front springs and shocks. Alright, so to replace your shocks and springs, first step is obviously to remove the wheel, get your car safely jacked up with jack stands. So once you've got the wheel off, you're going to go ahead and take off your brake caliper, and then you're going to hang it up somewhere up there with a nice piece of wire. And then you're going to want a ball joint splitter, and you can remove that side and separate it down underneath here as well, and then you'll be able to free up all this. Go from the top down and remove these three. These are size 13 nuts on this vehicle. The brake caliper bolts are going to be a size 19, and you'll also need a 17 millimeter. As you can see there, removing a 17 and the 19 after taking off the caliper, and then we'll be able to remove the spring nuts at the top and drop out the whole assembly. You can see we've loosened up the nuts quite a bit, so we're going to put on our ball joint splitter and align it up with that top nut so we can split the joint. Alright, you can see we've got our ball joint splitter on, and we're just going to ratchet that until it pops off. So once you've got that separated, you can go ahead and put the nut back on top so you don't lose it, and go do the other side. So now you can see you've got it set up on this side, and we'll just do the same thing. Now that you've got it free from the bottom, you can go ahead and free it from the top. Alright, so you got these three at the top that have obviously come down. So once you've removed the nuts, one thing to know though is it only goes in one way. So you've got these two are a different distance than that way. So make sure you measure that and do it correspondingly when you put it back in. Nut, washer. Get that bearing. I got that bottom piece. And then we can take off the spring. That's what came out of the other side. A little bit better.